on, Scotty, what do we got?
Keep on rolling, baby. Oh, no, wrong song.
What?
Keep on rolling, baby.
It's too early for this shit.
No, it's not. It's never too early to have fun. You have to have fun. Oh, my God, no. So, we got today, our crush washers.
Yay.
So now that line's done, and I can put this wheel on, which is really good.
Yeah.
Because we have, unfortunately, it got jostled around, and nothing's right, so I'm having to...
Play onesie, twosie, pick
Yeah, fish through and
Pick
find
them
the
up.
ones we need. And...
And?
Don't tell me I did it again.
You lost the bracket that I
lost my
found?
bracket. No.
It's right there.
I've been looking for this bracket for the rear brake hose for a good 5-6 days now.
Yeah, I found it. I walked
And
in,
I remember-
There's the bracket you need.
The second he found it, I'm like, the only reason why I put it down was because I needed to
Clean threads.
finish chasing the threads out.
Yeah, now you can put it back together.
Exactly. So now, now that I've got the copper washers, I can finish. Oh, that's right. I can finish off all the brakes will be done today. Sweet.
Yeah, I think we can put the master on and maybe even bleed them if we want to get frisky.
Yeah, I mean it definitely needs to be done.
We got to run Tom's in a little bit, but
Yeah.
then we're gonna be back here.
Well, we'll
so.
probably just bleed those later. Then that's not a big deal.
Yeah,
we can
bleed
get them
those
done.
tomorrow.
So I'll take the
Thursday.
one bolt out of the differential, put this in, line everything up.
Away we go.
Yep.
Fun.
Woohoo! We got it. So now, just kind of in general,
In general.
I had to pull the exhaust off the driver's side so I can get everything lined up, make sure that there's no bangy. Now, there's no clamp on there.
Yeah.
I can't get it to separate.
That's okay. We can slip it from over here and just walk it on.
Slip it, what? You got to slip it. Oh, no, that's you got to stick it.
You gotta lick it before you stick it.
Well, that's true. Licking before sticking is a good thing.
But this side, hangers are up. Got one more hanger to go back over here.
Yep, which we just, because it got confusing, and I know a lot of people that do exhaust, which I don't in general, but when you're putting it back to factory and you don't see anything, you're like, well, I'm trying to find
half
this,
the
I'm
shit
trying
was
to find
missing,
that.
so-
Oh, yeah.
Before I
So-
took it apart even, it was a disaster area.
We've got, let me get my pointer, boys and girls. Follow the pointer, boing, boing. So we've got this one in, and it's neat because the bracket is notched to fit the frame. So one side's higher, one side's lower. Cool. Now that's in place, but we still have,
Weebles wobble.
and I don't want anything banging because I've got everything else perfect. And I'm like, I can't figure out where this other bracket goes.
And I said, look for
Well,
other holes.
sure as shit, because everything's so rusty, couldn't see it.
There it is.
There it is. So I'll undo that, get this set, get this in place, and it's weird because the way they do it is you figured they'd do it like this. Oh, no. They do it like this on the frame, and then you have to bend it like that.
Bend your rubber.
Yeah, I don't like a bent rubber. I like my rubbers being... Oops.
What's a rubber?
Well, you're married. It's no big deal. Oh, wait a minute. No, safe sex. Don't need to be getting any diseases. Because guys can't get pregnant. Can't. And I don't care what people believe.
Oh, boy.
So,
Scotty's, are you sure? I don't know. After eating pizza yesterday, you were pregnant.
just a little bit.
Yeah, I think you gave birth in the bathroom.
Oh, yes, I did. Last night and this morning.
Ew.
It was huge. It ran away by itself.
Stuff. Schmutz. Schmegma.
Smegma.
Anyway,
Okay, so
back on this.
that being said, I'll
done.
have... right now, I'm still just mocking the exhaust.
Yeah.
That's all I'm doing.
But we're
Nothing's
close.
clamped.
We're
Nothing's
really
bolted.
close.
But yeah, I mean, once I get this on and make sure that, it's not going to rattle around and cause noise, then I'll start clamping things down.
Yeah, then we're close.
Actually, if we just ordered some small exhaust hangers,
Some clamps.
yeah, just clamps, we'd be fine.
Yeah, U-bolt.
Because there is no way well, no, I could do that with that one, but then that still leaves me one short.
Yeah.
Because they never sent us everything.
Of course not. Have we mentioned that Larry's T-Bird sucks?
Yeah, they didn't send us everything, but they doubled other things that we don't need.
And they billed us.
for stuff we never got.
Yeah, and they won't send it. You know why? Because Larry's T-Bird sucks.
Correct.
I'll say it again. But it's not like you have much other choice.
Yeah.
Bird Nest is good, but they take forever because they're far away. Larry's doesn't take forever because they're only an hour and a half away.
Yeah.
But they ain't got their chit together.
So
Anywho,
now I'm curious because
you're curious.
I don't remember taking this off because it was already kind of disconnected type deal.
Yeah, everything was kind of
So
already
how?
janky.
Oh.
Goes onto the bolt, buddy.
Well, I'm picky. All right, I'm picky.
Other way.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so
Put that in
that
there.
means I got to pull this over. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Are you touching me?
Yeah, unfortunately. It's close quarters.
Oh my God, no. He's touching, Daddy, he's touching me.
And that's how you end up pregnant. Wait, what?
Okay, so we'll take that bolt out and then that'll be in place and I can tighten that up. I can snug these up because they're not snugged.
I get to get that broken bolt out. That's going to be like fucking joy. All right, look at that.
Which means,
That's done.
yeah,
Hot damn, look at you. You're having a good day today. And it's like 8:00 something in the fucking morning.
I am, but I'm not.
Shh, you're having a good day.
Yes, it's a
Shut
good
the
day.
fuck up. Shut the.
Okay, so all that's left is this in place,
Bam.
tightened,
Look at that.
and that's a 9/16.
That would be yeah, maybe. I think it's a half, actually.
It is a half.
Haha. Calibrated eye again. I can read.
Don't look at my ass. I know you are.
No one's looking at your ass. I'm looking at the car's ass. We might need shorter bolts for that thing. Because that's only 40 miles long for no reason.
Come on, my God.
That's what she said.
No, she said come in her.
Well, you know,
Or depending on who you...
I'm not going to say no.
This is true.
We're so horribly inappropriate. Ooh, look at that.
There we go. And then this
You tighten
one...
that, and then you put that guy up there. Ooh, that's motherfucking tizzy.
That's tight.
That's
That's not reaching properly.
But that's the right thing, though, buddy.
That may be the right thing, but it's not proper.
It's okay. You're not proper.
No, I mean it's not long enough.
Where have I heard that before?
So I'm wondering.
You probably need to pull the hose off. Put it in here first. You can give the bracket a little Chevy shove, and that'll get you the length you need. Because when the suspension is down, it's going to be more than solid. But you can't thread that in until you have to pull it off anyway. And you got to put crush washer on that.
Yeah. And the other problem is, if I thread this in and get this set, then I can't reach here.
What?
If I thread this in,
Oh, yeah. You know what you should do? Undo these.
right,
Undo this. Put this on there.
right.
And then put these back. Smart. I can
Well,
read.
I don't know if I'd go that far, but, you know, hey.
I could push you right now and you fall over.
I know, right? Well,
We're
I'm
not
one.
doing that. I already... Ha! That's what you get! It's not the first thing something that big's been in your eye.
Well, you know, hey, it is what it is.
Don't crack your head, because I'm not taking you to the ER. I'll just be like...
I'll put a fucking Band-Aid on it.
I'll just be like, Glenn, get over here and fix this. Scotty sprung a leak.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'd undo those, put that on first, and then don't take that all the way out. Use that to support this.
I'm going to take it all the way out.
But do this, undo these first.
No, because if I spin this and I lock this in place without undoing that, then I might be like this and I can't get it back on. So if I just do this.
I'm confused.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's fine.
Because by taking this out, if nothing else, I'll figure out where I need to put that bracket or make a new one to give it an extension.
What if you stick it up here in this one?
Okay,
No, that won't work.
So this being here now makes it.
There you go.
So we are how far off from where we need to be?
Like 3/4, like an inch.
Okay, so if we have
If you
to.
bang this like it's a friggin' redheaded stepchild. Like, no, that's beat.
No, that's what it was like that. I forgot I straightened it because I thought it got bent.
Fucking guy. Ay vey. All right.
Okay, well, at least I know it was an easy mistake to do because I was worried about having everything right.
I heard you're an easy mistake.
Well, my father said I was, my mom said I was a treasure. My father said, yeah, let's bury it.
And with that,
Bum.
we're gonna end it.